A ratio compares values, and it tells how much of one thing is compared to another. Just like in these fraction pieces, I have 3 blue, and I'm going to compare it to 1 yellow. So in this example, 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square, and the ratio can use the colon mark, or it can, to separate the value, or you can use the word 2. In fact, when we're reading that, we would say the word 2 when we get to the colon, or it can be written as a fraction. So we have 3 to 1, 3 to 1, or 3 to 1. Now, a ratio can also be scaled up. For example, 3 to 1 is the same thing as 6 to 2. And you'll notice, just like when we were finding equivalent fractions, it's just the same thing as finding an equivalent ratio. To get from the 3 to the 2, to the 6, I multiplied it by 2. And so then to get to multiply the 1 by 2, I would get 2. So the 3 times 2 and the 1 times 2. And as long as I do the same thing to both numbers, then I'm going to have that equivalent ratio. So let's write a few ratios. In this first one, I see some spoons and forks, and it says, what is the ratio of spoons to forks? Now, the important part is to find out which one they're listing first, so that we put that number first, compared to the other one. So in this case, I have spoons, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 spoons, so it would be 7, 2, and forks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 7 to 4. Or I could say 7, 2, 4, or 7 to 4. The next one, what is the ratio of snakes to mice? So I have to count my snakes first, and I see 2. And then mice, I see 3, so it's 2 to 3, or 2 to 3, or 2 to 3. All right, my next one. What is the ratio of clubs to spades? So I need to count my clubs first, and I see that I have 2 clubs, 2, and then the spades, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spades. So my ratio is 2 to 5. Next, what is the ratio of hearts? So I count my hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. 2 diamonds. And I only see 1 diamond. So it would be 4 to 1. And the next one, what is the ratio of spades? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spades. Oh, I better finish reading. Ratio of spades and clubs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spades and 2 clubs. So that gives me 7. 2, I have hearts and diamonds, so I'm putting them together. Hearts, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts and a diamond, so that gives me 5. So it would be 7 to 5. And in this case, I have a case of juice that was delivered to the corner store. The case contained 6 bottles of grape juice, 9 bottles of fruit punch, 7 bottles of cranberry juice, and 2 bottles of raspberry juice. So my first question says, what is the ratio of crayon apple to grape? So crayon apple, here's my crayon apple, and I have 7 of them, compared to my grape, 6 bottles of grape. So I have 6, 7 to 6. The next question says, what is the ratio of grape juice and fruit punch? So grape juice, I have 6 grape juice, and 9 fruit punch. So 9 and 6 is 15. 2, the total number of bottles. So that means I need to add all the bottles. So I have 6 and 9 is 15, and 7 is 22, and 2 more is 24. So I would have the ratio of 15 to 24.